Good morning, students. Today, I, Payal Parekh, am back, and in Payal's Easy Commerce, we are doing today MCQs of Semester 1 for Module 1. These are simple MCQs which are really going to help you to understand the way you're going to function. So, let's begin. Dash industry is concerned with reproduction and multiplication of species in order to earn profit. Now, for this, you will be given four options: genetic, extractive, construction, and maybe some other name or none of the above. The real answer is genetic. In a similar fashion, you could be asked whether the answer would be extractive or construction or things. So, whenever you're doing your MCQs, you make sure that you know related meanings also of another type of industries. The next question is dash concept of business is concerned with customer satisfaction. So in there the options are modern, traditional, product or none of the above. The answer is modern concept. Okay. The next one I have is poultry, dairy and plant nurseries are example of dash industry. So here I have is genetic, extractive, construction, or all of the above. The answer is genetic industries. The next point I have is dash function is concerned with people in an organization. Human resource, marketing, finance, all of the above. The answer is human resource. Generally, students, most of the colleges do not prefer all of the above or none of these. They would give you another option for the same, like another industry or another function. And some would be very bizarre answers which are never going to be right, but they are just done to make students confused. Dash industry provides intangible goods. So extractive, manufacturing, service, or all of the above. Service is the only industry that has intangible, means what I cannot touch, but I can feel, I can see that service being provided to me. Okay. Next one I have is dash function involves activities like marketing, research, promotion, and distribution. So here I have is production, marketing, human resource, none of the above. So marketing, research, promotion, and distribution comes under marketing function. Okay. So similarly, when you're learning, you need to keep in mind what functions would be there under production, what functions would be there under human resource, etc., etc. Divestment is a type of dash strategy. So students, when you have seen my previous video tutorials, you would be having retrenchment strategies, stability strategy, growth strategies. Those videos would really help you to understand turnaround strategy. So with this, any kind of question can come of any type of strategy. With respect to this MCQ, divestment is a type of dash strategy. The answer is retrenchment strategy. Okay. Encouragement to small scale and cottage industries is a type of dash objectives. So here the answer is national, organic, human, or all of the above. The answer is going to be national strategy, because small scale and cottage industries are all over India. So all over India comes under national heading. Dash refers to reduction of government control over business sector, liberalization, privatization, or globalization. So the answer out here comes to privatization. Similarly, you could be asked similar questions on whether the answer would be liberalization or globalization too. Dash is an organic objective: prestige, social welfare, wealth creation, all of the above. So the organic objectives is one of the types of objectives that we've done. So the answer is prestige. Reduction in cost is a type of dash objective: economic, social, organic, all of the above. The answer is economic objectives. So whenever you are doing the different types of objectives, just keep in mind the subheadings too. Dash refers to transfer of government function to the private sector. Liberalization, privatization, globalization, all of the above. The answer is privatization. Dash implies continuing current activities of the firm without any significant change. Stability, growth, retention, all of the above. The answer is stability. Dash merger refers to combination of firms engaged in unrelated types of business activities. The answer is conglomerate. So do keep in mind while you are reading the chapter, horizontal, what is horizontal, what is vertical too. Dash denotes split of a company. So demerger, divestiture, liquidation, or all of the answer. The answer is demerger. Whenever the company is splitted, it is known as demerger. Now, I've also taken this from another couple of books. So I've mixed it with the whole series. Business is a dashed activity. Organized, social, or national. The answer is organized activity. Dash risk cannot be insured. Non-insurable insurance or disaster. So it is non-insurable risk cannot be insured. Dash function is concerned with the management of people in the organization. The answer is personnel. Dash industries are concerned with extracting materials or minerals from natural resources, so that is extractive. Dash is concerned with expansion of market. The answer is commerce. Dash is concerned with importing of goods and then selling the same to other countries. Entrepreneur. Dash fills the knowledge gap. Knowledge gap is always filled by advertising. Similarly, you can be asked what is filling the time gap or a distance gap, etc. etc. Dash concept of business is concerned with customer satisfaction, so it is modern. Analysis of Dash environment indicates strengths and weaknesses of the organization. It is internal. Dash refers to the reduction of government control over business sector. The answer is liberalization. Thank you, students.